If you love the look of our 3D Tudor Haunted Village modular kit bash pack, but you only want the surface detail and atmosphere, this one is for you. This is the 3D Tudor Haunted Village Shader Pack, a focus collection of 20 stylized materials built to help you create rich haunted scenes faster without needing the full modular kit or the course. Inside, you will get a solid range of essential materials for building out eerie environments fast. Bark, bricks, clay, cobblestone, dirt, linen fabric, metal, roof tiles, dark and light stone, wall textures, wood variations, window atlas materials, both lit and unlit variations, plus a few special extras that really help sell the mood. So whether you are dressing a haunted house, broken village edge, or a full dark fantasy scene, you've got plenty to work with. Everything is provided in a 2K resolution with Blender project setup and PNG texture files folder included. So it is easy to drop into your workflow and start building straight away.